Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to import and how to save a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. Let's just go to your color tab here, and let's say you have finished your color grading, or at least your LUT is actually finished. So the way I would save this, I would click on clips. I just want to save these two nodes, okay? So I don't need anything else than that. Let's just remove everything before and after. The way I can save a LUT, I click on the clip here. So if you don't have this list here, you just need to click on this icon called clips. Select the clip you have on the only LUT applied. Right click and then go to generate LUT. I would recommend to use either 33 points or 65 points. Now the 65 will be the most accurate, obviously. So you need to know how heavy your color grading or your LUT is. In some cases, you can also save it as a 33, but I will just save it as a 65 point cube. I'll save it here, my 65 point cube LUT. I'll give this name just for the sake, and then save. To install your LUT, you need to click on this gear icon here, and then you need to go to color management. Once you're in the color management tab, you scroll down, and you can find it here, the lookup tables, which is long version for LUT, and open LUT folder. You select a folder or you create a folder you want to put your LUT inside, and then you're just gonna have to copy paste your LUT here. You can close this folder, it's fine, and then click on update lists and then save. Click on this LUT icon here and find your folder where you have saved it. Mine is the 65 point cube. Double click and the LUT should be applied on your footage. So this is how easy to save your LUT, export your LUT, or import your LUT. I hope this was helpful, and see you in the next one.